Hi, in this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to download processing, install it, and then install the Siphon and OSC add-ons. To begin, I'll just download it, and it'll go like that. Very quick from their server. And great, we're done. So now I'll go back to the Finder, and here's Siphon, or processing rather. We can add it to our applications folder, and then launch it. We'll be asked if we want to confirm it. Open it up. And if you want, you can go through the Get Started, but right now we're just going to kind of dive in. And if you go into the Sketch menu under Import Library and go to Add Library, and then you type in Siphon, you'll find the Siphon. You just click Install. And similarly, if you want to work with OSC data, OSC P5 is a great library to use. And that's all you have to do to get working with that. Once you're back, you can go into the example section. And if you go here down under contributed libraries, you'll find examples for working with both OSC and Siphon.